Top sport touring motorcycles for long trips. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT has earned a reputation as one of the most versatile and capable sport touring motorcycles on the market. Combining sporty performance, advanced technology, and long-distance comfort, the Tracer 9 GT is designed to excel on extended road trips while delivering thrilling rides on twisty backroads. Performance and power. At the core of the Tracer 9 GT is Yamaha's powerful 890 cubic centimeters CP3 inline 3-cylinder engine. This high-performance engine produces 117 horsepower and 93 Nm of torque, offering a lively, responsive, and smooth power delivery. The CP3 engine is renowned for its balance of performance and efficiency, making it equally suited for spirited rides and long hauls. The bike features a 6-speed transmission with a quickshifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, ensuring seamless gear changes for an exhilarating yet effortless ride. The lightweight aluminum frame and advanced KYB semi-active suspension adapt to road conditions in real time, providing optimal handling and comfort. Touring comfort. The Tracer 9 GT is engineered for touring, with a focus on rider and passenger comfort. The bike features an upright riding position, adjustable handlebars, and a 2-level adjustable seat height to accommodate a wide range of riders. The heated grips and a height-adjustable windscreen further enhance comfort, allowing riders to adapt to varying weather conditions. With a 19-liter fuel tank, the Tracer 9 GT offers an impressive range for long-distance travel. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic design reduce fatigue, ensuring a comfortable ride even on extended journeys. Advanced technology. Yamaha equips the Tracer 9 GT with cutting-edge technology to enhance safety and convenience. 6-axis IMU enables advanced features like lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and slide control for improved stability. Semi-active suspension automatically adjusts damping for optimal ride quality across various terrains. Cruise control provides a relaxed riding experience on highways. Dual TFT displays offer intuitive access to navigation, trip data, and settings. Practicality and storage. The Tracer 9 GT comes standard with integrated hard saddlebags, offering 30 liters of storage capacity per side. Optional top cases and additional luggage accessories are available, making it a practical choice for extended tours. The verdict. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT is a well-rounded sport touring motorcycle that excels in delivering comfort, performance, and practicality. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or a weekend escape, the Tracer 9 GT ensures a dynamic and enjoyable riding experience. Its combination of technology, power, and touring capability makes it a top choice for riders seeking versatility and excitement on long trips.